Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eat. Today we're making one of my favorite 5-minute lunch recipes. This easy pizza toast with no cheese is going to be your new favorite lunch. Let me show you guys how to make it. All you guys need is a few simple ingredients to make this easy pizza toast with no cheese. And while I'm saying it has no cheese, trust me, you guys aren't even going to miss it. So I'm using sourdough bread today. You can use white, you can use wheat, whatever you like works. Then you're going to need some butter and some fresh garlic. And you can use garlic cloves and mince them, or you can use garlic from a jar like I'm using here. This one is my absolute favorite, this Spice World organic garlic. I buy it all the time and it's so easy and convenient. Then we're just going to need a fresh tomato and some fresh basil and nutritional yeast. This is what's going to replace our cheese. So first you want to slice the tomato into some thin slices. I like to use around 3 slices of tomatoes, and then I also like to cut them in half. Next, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of salted butter and about a teaspoon of minced garlic into a small dish and mix it together. Then we're just going to take this delicious garlic butter and spread it over one side of the bread. Next, you're going to put a small skillet over medium heat, and we're going to add that extra tablespoon of butter into the skillet. Once the butter is melted, we're going to add in the bread with the garlic butter side up. Now we're just going to let this toast just for a minute until the bottom is lightly toasted. Then we're going to flip the bread to toast the garlic butter side for just a minute. Then you want to flip it back over, and we're going to add the tomatoes on top of the garlic butter side. Then go ahead and transfer the toast to a plate. Now we're just going to sprinkle the top with a generous amount of nutritional yeast. And then we're just going to finish this off with some fresh basil. And now we have delicious pizza toast with no cheese. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.